നമസ്കാരം പ്രിയ ശ്രോതാക്കളെ, ഒരു പ്രത്യേക അഭിമുഖ സംഭാഷണത്തിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവരെയും നിറഞ്ഞ സ്നേഹത്തോടെ സ്വാഗതം ചെയ്യുകയാണ്. റേഡിയോ മാക്ഫാസ്റ്റ് 90.4 FM-ൽ ഇന്ന് അതിഥിയായി എത്തിയിരിക്കുന്നത് ലക്നൌവിലെ CSIR നാഷണൽ ബൊട്ടാണിക്കൽ റിസർച്ച് ഇൻസ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ടിലെ പ്രിൻസിപ്പൽ സയന്റിസ്റ്റ് ഡോക്ടർ ആരാധന മിശ്രയാണ്.
Dr. Aradhana Mishra. Several major research projects have been completed by her. So far, Dr. Mishra has more than 58 publications in peer-reviewed SCI journals, 13 books, chapters, and 4 patents have been granted and 2 patents have been filed. She has been awarded several times for Best Research Paper by CSIR. She was honored with prestigious Women Scientist Award 2018 by the Biotech Research Society India. Besides that, she has been awarded with Excellence in Research Award by Samagra Vikas Welfare Society in 2020. She has also developed some of the products that can be useful for the society. Once again, welcome ma'am. We are very honored that you are here in our radio MACFAST 90.4 and I take this opportunity to interact with our common man. Listeners of Radio MACFAST 90.4 will also get some information from you. You are such a wonderful research scientist. My first question is, how did you become a scientist?
Yeah, first of all, thank you very much for inviting me at Radio MACFAST 90.4 and this is my heartful thanks to Principal Sir and all the team members. So it's a very nice question, how I become scientist and how I am interested for those things. In initial, I was doing my work and creative work. Then I decided if I wish to create something, I wish to observe something for the nation, and my research is going to be useful for the agriculture person and rural person, then I have to do something in the area of science. So that's why I am interested for doing something for society and agriculture, as well as to want to become initialize the person to be independent and Swachh Bharat Mission, part of the Swachh Bharat Mission Abhiyan. So those things always in my mind, how will be creative and give better part to the society. Though science was the only one medium, and science we cannot do at home, so I tried my best and I completed my PhD, then 6-year research work in doing postdoctorate fellows programs, and I was awarded for Women Scientist Fellow schemes. After that, I got appointed in CSIR and we are in 2013.
Okay, we have such a feeling that the scientist people are some allied group. They are sitting in some other place. There is no connection with the common man. Actually, that's not true. But how you connect your research into the common man or the environment or the society?
Yeah, definitely. People, they don't have directly interaction with the scientists. They think about this because they think only about the space scientists and other research scientists. So we are working in the area of agriculture. We are working in the area of nanotechnology. So those technology, when we prepare something for the person, for the society, we have to demonstrate. So we always arrange the training program and workshop for the rural area, and we invited the farmers and students for the research programs, and through these programs we connected with the society and rural area and agriculture and farmers also.
Can you say something more about the nanotechnology, that is the upcoming subject?
Yeah, of course. This is my field. I'm working in nanotechnology since last more than 10 years, because this is the time to shift ourselves in nanotechnology. Every drug delivery, every technology that is based on the nanotechnology now. So delivering of any bioactive agent to the human, to the any controlling in any pathogen, if we are preparing this kind of any formulation, then it will be useful for the agriculture field and as well as then controlling the pathogen. So nanotechnology is everywhere needed. We are focusing this nanotechnology for controlling the plant disease and controlling the human disease.
we also have the MSc course here, MSc Bio Nanotechnology. So is there any message that you can give to the students, those who are studying this bio nanotechnology?
It's a great opportunity if this college having the individual branch of nanobiotechnology, nanobio. It's a great because several institutes are there. They don't having a specific this stream. So if the students is getting opportunity to avail this branch, so definitely he should join. And the nanotechnology has a broad area in medical, in drug, in agriculture, anywhere, in any research, in chip development, anywhere nanotechnology is needed. And wherever the biological mean of the synthesis of nano material is current need of the situation. So we are working in the biosynthesis by the biological mean, and nanotechnology we are using, but we are using the biological mean for the synthesis of nano material. So I think it's a very good opportunity for this area of the students. They're choosing this branch. So it's a bright future and bright career they can make in this area.
Coming back to agriculture and environment, you know that so you know the current situation of agriculture and environment. The environment is changing. There is a climate change is happening. So the plants are having a lot of stress. So we have to overcome this situation. So what would be your idea, and your research work is connected to the stress and environment and plant and agriculture?
Yeah, it's a very good question. So in this situation, nanotechnology is directly related. In climate change condition, different kind of chip has been developed that they can indicate that the situation of the soil, situation of the plant. And when we are preparing some formulation by using herbal nanotechnology, we can apply in the pathogen control, that is the biotic stress control. And climatic stress control, we are preparing some chip and indicators are there. They can identify wherever which element is going to be deficient in the plant, which element is deficient in the soil. So in that way, the nanotechnology is very helpful to fight with the combat with this current situation of the climatic condition, as well as in the biotic stress. Even we have developed some bioformulation that is able to control the early blight disease in tomato, and controlling the other human pathogen like Staphylococcus aureus and other microbes also.
What's your concept of women in science? You know that we have to struggle a lot to get into the scientific field. Do you have any message to them?
Yeah, definitely. So it's really a genuine question that you have raised. Scientists have to devote a lot of time and full dedication to get any achievement. So we also spend our most of the time in research lab. Women have to understand work-life balance. This kind of training program in CSIR also is going on, and they provided program to balance their life and yourself as well as your work. So being a woman is not a hurdle. Just your management is required, and mentally you have to be stable, how to bifurcate the work, how to balance your science and how to balance yourself. There is no question about that women cannot be a big scientist. Yes, definitely women can do.
What would be your general message to our Radio MACFAST 90.4 listeners?
Yeah, my general message is to everyone. So be generous, be kind, and love nature. If you love nature, then you will get everything what you want from nature. So balance nature, love nature, and respect elders, love children. That's all.
Thank you, ma'am.
നിങ്ങൾ ഇതുവരെ കേട്ടത് ലക്നൌവിലെ CSIR നാഷണൽ ബൊട്ടാണിക്കൽ റിസർച്ച് ഇൻസ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ടിലെ പ്രിൻസിപ്പൽ സയന്റിസ്റ്റ് ഡോക്ടർ ആരാധന മിശ്രയുമായുള്ള പ്രത്യേക അഭിമുഖ സംഭാഷണമാണ്. നന്ദി, നമസ്കാരം. കേട്ടുകൊണ്ടേയിരിക്കൂ റേഡിയോ മാക്ഫാസ്റ്റ് 90.4 FM, നാട്ടുകാർക്ക് കൂട്ടായി.